Click on your account.
Click on Policies.
Policies allows an organization to define a number of standard values or information. For each new campaign, a policies record is assigned. The policy information is then used to populate a campaign with default information. HR Selector allows multiple policies to be defined. Policies can be company, division or department specific. For example, if a team was contracted to work non-standard hours, the campaign could be assigned a policy record that detailed the specific hours. On registration, a default policies record was created. To edit the default policy, click on the edit icon. The policies record is grouped into a number of sections. Assign the policy a suitable name. If required, enter notes to describe the policy. The role section covers information that is used when defining a role. If the organization has standard working hours, enter the details in the hours field. If the organization has standard benefits, enter the details. Enter any details for the organization's standard holiday entitlement. Questionnaires section. Enter the standard information to display to applicants if a PIN number is assigned to a questionnaire. References section. Set the number of references each applicant will normally be expected to provide. Select the form that an applicant's former employer will be asked to complete, if they have agreed to provide a reference. Select the form to be completed by people who have agreed to provide an applicant with a personal reference. Select the form that will be used for academic references. Enter standard instructions to the applicants advising them of what types of references will be acceptable. Sourcing section. Enter standard information to be used in job advertisements. This could be, for example, some standard text about the company, division or department. Offers section. The Offers section allows an organization to customize the HR Selector standard text to inform candidates who are made provisional offers as to the procedure that will be used to confirm and formalize the offer. The Terms and Conditions section allows the organization to customize the HR Selector standard text to inform the candidates of the terms and conditions of any provisional offer. Expiry Days allows the organization to specify the standard number of days before any provisional offer expires. Rejection Letters. This section allows the recruiter to customize the standard HR Selector text that is used to advise applicants that their application has failed. Heading is the standard introduction. Then for each stage reached, there is the opportunity to customize the rejection content. The footer allows the standard text to be customized that is used to sign off the rejection notification. Gdpr. This section allows the recruiter to change HR Selector's standard timescales for data retention. The default periods comply with the European Union's General Data Protection Regulations. The default retention periods can be reduced or extended to match the recruiter's own requirements or local legislation. Campaign retention specifies the time in months that data related to the campaign will be retained. However, as campaigns can be open-ended, it is also necessary to specify an application retention period. Application retention specifies the time in months that a campaign's applicant-specific information is retained. Privacy policy allows the recruiter to reference their own organization's privacy policy. Click Save. OK. Policies can be copied using the copy icon.